All right, so now get your list and have your top 5. Later you can copy them onto lesson 6, but let's not worry about that right now. What I'd like you to do is just have your top 5 and by each of them, score them on a scale of 0 to 10. So 0 means that one's nowhere in your life. 10 means that it's fully present. There's no way you could live it more fully or more completely than the way you're living it right now. So just take a minute, go down the list, score it from 0 to 10. Okay, you all got your scores? Great. So how many people had some 8s, 9s, or 10s on your list? Yay, great. How many of you had some 0, 1s, or 2s on your list? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3s, that list. So, and how many of you had some of both? Some high, some low? Great. There's a saying from the Passion Test. What you put your attention on grows what in your life? Stronger. What you put your attention on grows stronger in your life. So if something is not, there's no, by the way, scoring your passions, this is not, you can't win. It's not like if you have high scores, oh, then you're doing really great. The purpose of this exercise is just to tell you where have you been putting your attention. And we're going to talk in a minute about the secret that guarantees a passionate life. But if you have low scores, what does that say about what you've been doing with your attention?
Putting it somewhere else.
Yeah, there's been other things you've put higher priority than these things you've identified as being most important to you, right? And why do you think people do that? You or anyone else? Why do people put their attention, why do they make choices for things that may not be connected to what they care most deeply about?
Well, I would say fear.
Fear? Fear is one reason, yeah. Fear. I make a choice because I'm afraid I won't have enough money, I won't be able to pay my bills, I won't be able to take care of my children, I won't be able to...
Or fear of what comes next.
Fear, sure, fear of what comes next. Fear of that it may not turn out all right, you know, all of those things. I might fail. Yeah? Beth? Oh, wait, where's the talking stick? Sorry.
Do you want to go back to fear?
Yeah.
Okay.
So why do people make choices for something other than what's most important to them?
For me, it was fear. Fear of stepping out of that comfort zone for me.
Yes.
You know, what was going to happen?
Good.
And it wasn't just financial, but more emotional. Would my world fall apart if I did?
Yeah, exactly. That I might lose everything, whatever. Beth?
I think people also don't focus on their passions just because of habit.
Sure.
It's habit for me to do some things that are completely unrelated but eat up a lot of time.
Good. Diane?
I think for me it's maybe a process. There's one way of looking at it, doing what you love to do, and then another way is loving what you have to do. And so for a long time I've been learning to love what I have to do. And
What you think you have to do.
have, H-A-V-E, already possess.
Oh, loving what you have.
Yes, just loving what I have,
Yeah.
whether it's to do or whatever.
Yeah.
And overcoming what I maybe think I don't like, or learning to love it.
Sure.
And then that I don't have that to do anymore, so then I need to, locate what I think I would love to do now. So
There you go.
it's just a matter of...
And what I hear you saying, and thank you for that, what I hear you saying is that one of your passions was learning to love what you have.
Right.
And that's the choice that you made. And that may not be on your list right now. And so now you're in a new phase.
Right.
And so now it's a matter of where do I put my attention now? Because I have a different passion. And this happens, right? I gave that example also. Your passions change over time. So, the high scores or low scores, the process of scoring your passions is a useful one to do from time to time, just to see how consistently are you doing and choosing to make choices in favor of your passions. And so this